I've been shopping. Hi guys, it's Auntie Cuckoo. Welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing some clearance home decor that I have been finding, and let's see what else we get into. But I want to show you guys specifically what I picked up from Hobby Lobby. They are clearancing out a ton of decor right now. We all know financially things are not great right now, so businesses are trying to get rid of all of that stock, and I'm pretty happy with what I picked up. So this is definitely my fall haul. I don't think I'm going to be hauling much else. I have quite a bit, and I'll work with a few things that I already have, but I did want to get a few of these pieces, especially since they were on clearance for 75% off. After I show you guys what I picked up, we're going to go into the store and I'm going to show you guys what I'm finding at 75% off. So the first two things that I found were actually these. So originally priced $12.99. I picked them up for $3.24. It's a really good size. So this one has sort of a beige edge. This one has a green. I'm thinking of grouping them together or maybe using them in my master bedroom, maybe one on each of our bedside tables. And those are colors I definitely want to play up in that space. And you can't beat the price. I also picked up this little vase. This is something I remember picking up and showing to you guys in a shop with me. I love that color. So it was $2.49 and originally would have been $10. Such a good price, better than Target Dollar Spot. I also picked up this little round piece. I love to layer with things like this, and it was $3.25. You can't beat that. So you could hang it. You could also just kind of tuck it behind something. I like to do that and add just a little bit of color. And then I found this. Now, I think this is going to go in our living room. It's originally $14.99. Oh my goodness. I'd never paid that for the record. Now this I think is missing the glass, but I love the shape. I have something in mind for a space in my office that I'm going to be using it for. So $6.49 is what I paid. It doesn't have glass. Again, I'm fine with that. It was originally $25.99. Wowzers. Definitely try to shop the sales at Hobby Lobby when they have their 50% off sales. I also picked up this little guy. It was $1.24. I just thought it was really cute. It'd be great in a tiered tray, tiered stand. But then I found its larger version and it was originally $19.99. I paid $5. These floral are actually from the Dollar Tree. I picked those up in a recent trip in, and I love that color for fall. So I just picked up a few of those stems, popped them in there. I might use them in a wreath or maybe a future DIY. I'm not sure yet, but I love these little vases, I guess they would be called. I also fell in love with these little birds. So a lot of their items are spring shop that are on clearance for 75% off. And I found these two little birds. I know how I'm going to use them, when I'm going to use them. So I brought them home. They were both about $1 and change. Now this is something I was hoping to find more of. I only found one, but it was 75% off of $19.99. I believe it was $6 and change. It is a outdoor lantern. They only had one in this color. They had quite a few of them in gray. So check your stores if you're interested in that. I also found this little vase. I think this looks very Studio McGee, and it was I think $1. So I'm going to show you guys in the store what I'm finding at 75% off. So this sale has been running all week and I was just there. So they have a lot. Now I know that's going to vary from location to location, but literally aisle after aisle and end cap after end cap, I was finding entire aisles they're trying to clearance out, including all this Star Wars stuff. I thought that was pretty funny for any Star Wars fans out there. They have some cutting boards and a lot of cutting boards, a lot of artwork. If you've just decided to redo a room, now is the time to pick something up. You're going to get a great deal on it. So they always have that one aisle of clearance. I don't know where it'll be in your store. In my store, it is the last aisle before you get to the card section. That's where I found a lot of the things that I ended up bringing home, but they literally have the whole seasonal section right now full of all kinds of clearance. I actually picked one of these up when they first came out. Those canisters are all 75% off, and they have all 3 graduated sizes. They've got large items like clocks and mirrors. I was so surprised. And lots of neutral decor you could use any season. So you may want to check out your stores for some really good prices. So I've also been doing a little bit of shopping online. Not a ton, but a few things that I saw and I really had on my mind for fall and going into the winter season. So let me show you guys those. So if you've been around my channel, you know that I love throw pillows, but I don't like to store them. I am always looking for great covers. I bought some beautiful pillows for our great room and I love them, but I wanted some fall color in there. So I found these on walmart.com. They were 2 for just under $14. They have really nice texture to them. They are soft. They fit the pillow, which is the striped one behind it that I have out year round. So it was just kind of perfect. They were marked down. It's a great price. It's sort of a corduroy look, but it's definitely softer than corduroy. They do have other colors. I was in love with the orange, especially for fall. This will go all the way through up until probably mid-November, and then I'll switch them out. And then I had some smaller pillows in the same space that I have green IKEA covers on. I was looking to bring out some of the brown tones in that room. So I found these online on Amazon, and they were a little bit pricey. There was some coupon or reduction from the original price, which was $27 for the 2-pack, and so ended up being about $12 per pillow cover, but they're exactly what I wanted. And I looked at others and I just really like the look of these. They have a very tailored, clean, high-end look to them. Now I was surprised. I thought the zipper would be down here, but it's actually on one of the sides. So if you're interested in these, you may just want to be aware of that. It's not a game changer for me. These match some of the furniture pieces in our great room, and I think they go really well with that orange color. So I'm so happy to have these to put a little touch of fall in that room. And last but not least, a couple of things that I have been picking up on clearance. You guys know I am always scouting those deals for home decor. These are items I found at HomeGoods with prices I could not pass up. I'm always hitting Target Dollar Spot looking for good deals on decor. These beat those prices and they're really nice pieces. So this is a frame. I am looking to update sort of the look of my frames to sort of go with my new taste, and this was only $3 from Thomasville. I also found a few trays and they're a good size. I like the colors. I like the size. This one is really lightweight, so it was supposedly only $7.99, which I never find anything like this in HomeGoods for that price, but I paid $6 on clearance. This is my favorite piece. It is really heavy. It was originally 16, marked down to 8. Found it on the clearance aisle. I always check that aisle when I'm in, and I just love it. I love the colors in it. I think it's perfect for fall. Okay, now 2 things I picked up actually from Ross, because if you can find them right now, I think they're great prices. This is a massive basket. It's going to be for blankets, and I could not believe the price. It was $25. So anything like this anywhere else is going to be at least $50. So I could not leave it behind. I had to bring it home, and I think it is gorgeous. I love everything about it. It is so deep. I'll be able to fill it with all kinds of blankets. Now, sorry, the lighting's off. We're still working on the lighting in this room, but in this room, I needed a space for storage. $27.99 for a woven chest is just unbelievable. I found it at Ross, and I can't wait to show you what I'm putting in it. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I'm picking up and the great prices that are out there. Be sure to check your stores. You may find a few things you just can't live without. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.